was tricky today on the grass. Yeah, as you said, it's a great vibe out there. People coming out and just enjoying the tennis. And yeah, it's good fun out there.
And what did you try to do or work on today in your match?
Just like moving forward a lot, hitting out the volleys and just weaker parts of my game to try and play.
Oh, well, as you said, he's the best player. Definitely showed his level and pretty much outclassed. As I just tried to not get love and love, so which I accomplished my objective. But yeah, a good experience. I mean, I like where we played in December last time and I gave him a little trouble. He made sure I show me how I got this time. So.
Getting the hang of the returns and trying to find where it's going on the serve was a bit tricky. On these courts, the ball comes really fast, so it was fun. It was a fun challenge trying to figure it out.
Yeah, man, we grew up playing together, and it was fun playing him. He's a very good player. This court suits his game because he takes the ball really early. And for myself, who likes a little bit at a time, that's when I find it difficult. But it was a really good game, and I really enjoyed it.